Good evening, everyone. So we're back home, yes, as you can see, and I've got my little helper with me tonight who wanted to be in on the video. So Heike Hack number 7. I know, on 7 already, I can't believe it. So say hi if you're watching, say hi if you're watching on replay, so I know who's watching.
Yeah.
That'd be nice. Yes, nice tongue you've got there, Solomon. So tonight's little hack has to do with munchkins like this, who, no, not Wiki Pepperami, that was soap, because, don't know, if you've got a little trigger happy little boy at home who likes to, on soap and anything that dispenses like this, just go bang, 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 just to wash one set of hands. And obviously I don't know about your soap, but ours, you just need about a third of a squirt to wash your hands, and that does it. So it's actually quite cost effective. However, if you have little trigger happy friends, then obviously you're wasting a lot. So this is actually another mum who gave me this little trick. What you can do to stop little people from wasting, or big people, you know, anyone in your household who likes to just use way too much soap, get a couple of hair bands and wrap them round. So like this. If you can brush it down, you can see that now it's only going to go down a little, and you end up not wasting loads of soap by doing this. I actually have, Jana's got a little ring that I've put on one of them, which also stops it from happening. Hi, cat! Ooh, we've got some German friends watching tonight. Sag hello. Hello. Hi, Tracy. Thanks. Tracy says I look nice. Yes, thank you. My new haircut.
Cat.
Now, look, this says on there that cat is watching. So yes, so that's Heike Hack number 7, saving yourself some soap that you might not need by just wrapping some hairbands around it to stop it from going down all the way. I know it's taken a long time. He wants his bedtime story. So this is it for me tonight. Lovely to see you all. Thanks for saying hi, and I will see you all soon. Have a good evening, and we're going to go and read our monster truck story now, shall we? Yes. Okay, goodbye. Have a lovely evening. Bye.
Bye.
Cheers.